What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today we just got some new mods in for the Mitsubishi Ralliart. So whenever I first bought the car, there's something that was bugging me from the exterior, and they are in this little packaging. I'll show you guys what's in here. And while I'm here in the garage, why not show you guys the Honda S2000. So I've taken this thing out once, I think once or twice since the starter replacement. Car drives great. Took it to a recent Cars and Coffee, but with every new build, whenever there's a new build, more parts. Stay tuned. S2000 might have a few more parts waiting to be installed. We still have the Voltex front bumper as well as the Voltex carbon fiber wing that we're waiting to install. I'm still debating if I want to go ahead and get an aftermarket hood first before I do all that, but yeah, stay tuned for more plans on the Honda S2000. So here is the Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart, and since I first bought the car, one thing I pointed out are the mismatched side mirrors. So this side is like a bluish color, this side is black. Here's a little front view. Mismatched mirrors. And whenever I first bought the car, it was mismatched because apparently they got stolen. And super simple, but I pretty much got these carbon covers, so all they do is pretty much go right over double-sided tape. So I went ahead and put some double-sided tape, and this is meant for the Mitsubishi Lancer, so fitment is pretty snug. Alright, so one side done, other side to do. As you guys can see, this side was stolen. Seems like it was blue at one point, and it was spray painted black, but anyways, it was stolen, so the previous owner Jeff just went to a junkyard to get one. I think with these covers it looks so much better, no more mismatch. Alright, so double-sided tape all done. I'll recommend using some strong double-sided tape. I usually like to use the 3M or Gorilla tape. That's for outdoor use, 30 to 40 pounds weight. You can get it from Home Depot, so that's a stronger one. Alright, so peel off all the edges on the tape. Let's go ahead and stick on the double-sided tape. Alright, we got the driver's side mirror cap on too. Like I said, super easy install, just a mirror cap using double-sided tape. And I think it ties in nicely with the carbon hood scoop. So small little carbon bits. And you can get this pretty cheap. I got it off eBay for like 40 bucks, I want to say. But definitely looks so much better now with matching side mirrors. And what do you guys think? I know there's a super easy install, but I think it definitely improves the appearance of the Ralliart. From the outside, I'm really happy with how it looks, except for those mirror caps. One more thing that's bugging me as well is the window tint. It is like a fishbowl, no window tint at all. So probably get that taken care of pretty soon, hopefully. It's pretty hot here in Texas during summertime, and without window tint, it's pretty rough. And I hope you guys like that super simple DIY video on the Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart. Like I said, with the new build, I always start small when it comes to mods. That's my daily driver, so yes, it has some nice parts on it, but I'm not looking to spend way too much like I did on the show build, my Mitsubishi Lancer GT. So yeah, again, if you guys stayed today, make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Bunch more plans coming for the Ralliart build as well as the S2000 build, since these two are the newer cars. As for the Mitsubishi Turbo Lancer, that car, as for now, more or less stays the same. The Civic Si, also no new plans for it. But I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.